Stampers. This is Verna from StampinNotes.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I just love to share the joy of paper crafting and card making. And today I have a really cute little ornament to share with you. Isn't that pretty? It's an origami Christmas tree, and it's made using the Plush Poinsettia Designer Series paper. This is actually a vellum, and I've also used some of the red foil paper from Stampin' Up. And the die that I used for that is this die right here, and this is from the Ornate Layers Dies. They're in the annual catalog, and I've die cut that frame out with that. And I've also used our stars dies to cut this star. So I saw Tina Zinck, the Serene Stamper, do a video tutorial last winter on how to make a Christmas card making the origami trees. This is one that I did, and this is from last year. This was a card set that came plain, and then you could decorate it. But isn't that pretty? And what I like, you can see that I've used the green side of the 12 Designer Series paper, and I just love it. This is so country, and it looks elegant and beautiful, but it really isn't hard to make. So this is what we're going to do, only I'm going to do one with balmy blue. And I couldn't decide if I liked the rhinestones on it. We'll see with this one. But anyways, I've started with a piece of the balmy blue glimmer paper, and let me see what that size was. So you need a size 3.5 by 5 to die cut your frame out. And then I'm going to take a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock, and this is 2.25 by 3.5, and I'm just going to reinforce that back because this is going to be hanging on the tree. Before I do that, I have a piece of the, what is this, Snowflake Splendor ribbon, because it goes so pretty with the balmy blue. And this is about 9 inches. And so what I'm going to do is I need my loop to hang my ornament. I'm just going to take that like that before I glue that white cardstock on there, and I'm going to tape that down with good old-fashioned Scotch tape. Like that. Alright, then take the multi-purpose liquid glue, and you just need a little bit to adhere this down to the back. I believe this was 2.25 by 3.5, and it'll fit right inside the back space, the solid part of your tag here that we've made. All right, now we've got that done. We'll let that dry a little bit, and I'll show you how to fold the vellum and make the folds. So these, I will have all the measurements for this in the description below, but I've started with a 3.5 by 3.5, 3 by 3, 2.5 by 2.5, and 2-inch square. So there's 4 layers to the tree. And we'll start with the largest one first, and we're going to fold corner to corner. And I'm going to lay something behind it so you can see it better. So I'm going corner to corner, and I love this vellum paper. It's on sale right now, actually, but it has beautiful patterns in it. And there's 3 different patterns. And the one we're using today has the holly leaves and the berries in it. Okay, so back to this. We're going corner to corner this way. And you really want to use your bone folder. Pressing this good, because it's a little heavier. And then we're going to do the opposite way. All right, so we've done it this way. We've done it this way. The third way we're going to fold it is we're going to fold it in half to make a rectangle like this. Just want to check my corners. So it looks like this. We've got the X here, and we've got the rectangle there. So now what we're going to do is where we've got the rectangle marking, I'm going to push in on that, like this. And then I'm going to push in on this side, and we're going to make a little triangle, or a teepee, whichever you want to call it. And then we're going to give that a good press, like that. All right, let's do one more together. This is the next size down. We're going to fold it corner to corner, like that. Hold it corner to corner again this way. All right, so we've got our, we're going this way and this way. Now we're going to do our rectangle. I'm just going to press that and make sure it's right before that looks right. Okay, so we've got, we're going this way. We're going, and it doesn't hurt to re-crease this that way. And we've got our rectangle going this way. Okay, so now we're going to push in like that. And push in on this side. And if you take your finger and start at the top here and go down, it goes easier. Now we're going to take our bone folder and just press it down good, like that. All right, so we've got these, and I already did the two upper ones just to save time. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the front. As you can see, we've got this pattern going on in the front, and this is what makes it really elegant, I think. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your little folded square. We're going to take our two front flaps and just fold them together like this. See, we've made a crease in the center, right? I'm going to put my nail right here to hold that, and I'm going to bring this edge, this side over, and fold it to the middle. So it looks like this, hanging down. Let me show you that again. So it was up like this. I'm going to put my finger here just because it helps me see where I'm going, and fold it to this middle line. And now we're going to take and we're going to do this side here. Bring that to the center. Like that. Now we're going to come in with this one again. We're going to take our front two ends and fold them up together like this. So we have our center. Actually, that's a little better. And put my finger there and bring that down to the center like that. I'm going to put my finger here, hold that, and bring that to the center. Alright, so we've got all of our pieces. Our 4 pieces are ready to make our tree. So I'm going to start with the top. I've got my die cut. That's going to be the base. And I'm going to use tear and tape. Normally I would use glue, but because we're adhering this to a glitter paper, I think it'd be better to use a tear and tape. And this just tears off whatever length you want. Goes on the back like that. That comes off. And I'm going to put this, center it right just a little bit below the top. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to bring the next piece and I'm going to put it up inside this tree, probably like up to here. First I'll put the tearing tape on the back. Okay, our basic tree is done. Now we're going to do the pot for the tree base at the bottom, and I just have a 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch piece of Whisper White thick cardstock, and I'm going to cut up like that, and then from this corner down about the same width. This is going to be our pot that our tree sets in. I'm going to bring it and set it up in here like this, and I think that's about right. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now we need a star on the top, and I have pre-cut a star, little star. Okay, so I've got a gold foil star. It's been pre-cut with our stars dies, one of the small ones. And I am going to put that right there with a glue dot. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's just so elegant and pretty. These are the elegant faceted gems, and I'm going to put some of these, they're kind of a muted gold yellow, on my tree here to decorate it. Actually, probably the white ones would be really pretty on it too. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell for notifications, and you will be notified when I upload my next video tutorial. Yeah, it needs a little bit more glimmer on it. So we'll go with these elegant faceted gems. They are so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I think I need one more up here. Beautiful. And there she is. There's an elegant little tree. Isn't that pretty? If you have a lot of gems to use up, this is a good place to put them, and it's so pretty. It'll be pretty hanging on the tree. Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and then hit the notifications bell, and you will be notified when I upload my next video tutorial. Have a great day. Take care.